Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom fields in Trello. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and log in onto your Trello account. Right after that, just choosing the board. And once you're already onto a board, you'll just need to click onto the card that you want to add a custom field. So as you can see, I have different lists in here. And on card one, we'll try to add a custom field for this. So just simply click onto that and it should go ahead and open that card. And you should be able to see onto the right side the custom fields. So let's try to click onto that. And as you can see, if you add a custom field, it will give you an option to add drop downs, text fields, dates, and more to your cards. So this is like a preview onto this. However, custom fields are actually not available onto free plan. But don't worry, since there is actually a free trial here on Trello. So you could try Trello Premium free for 14 days. So this will give you this access, including the custom field. So let's try to explore the different plans that are available on Trello. And as you can see under Premium, we have custom fields already, as well as in Standard. However, in free, unfortunately, we cannot go ahead and use custom fields. But if you go ahead and try to update your plan onto Premium or Standard, then you'll have an option to go ahead and add a custom fields. So once you have upgraded your plan, just go ahead and click onto add a custom field and it will go ahead and give you an option already to add the drop downs, text fields, dates, and many more to your cards. And that is just basically it, how you add a custom fields in Trello. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.